ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਲਿਆਉਣ ਦਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਮਕਸਦ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗੇ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਿੱਖ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਆ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਕੈਨੇਡੀਅਨ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀ ਦਾ ਪਾਰਟ ਹੈ। ਇੱਥੇ ਖਾਣਾ ਵਰਤਾ ਕੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਾਣ ਤੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ।
Where we are right now is in the Bissell Center drop-in, and the drop-in is here to service people of the inner city, many of who come here with many complex problems. Others are just community members who live and work in the inner city. The people who come here may come with presenting problems of addiction, mental health, developmental disabilities, fetal alcohol effects, and an assortment of other problems. And what we do is we try to find them services that can help them with those problems, hook them up to different community centers. We have an employment services section that helps them to find work. We also have we have here in the drop-in, we have food that comes in every single day, 5 days a week. And one of the groups that comes in is your group that comes in, several times a year and helps us out. And by feeding them and giving them good, healthy food, that makes them ready to face the day and helps them further with jobs and with thinking clearly and with being able to get themselves healthy again. It's a vital service and we truly appreciate it. We have many, many groups that come in because we are open almost every day of the year. And that takes a lot of food and a lot of people contributing together. So it really is a sense of the greater community helping us to help the people of the inner city.
Bissell is just one of the many organizations in the inner city that helps to serve the homeless community, and all this is made possible by our volunteers and our donors. Like this group that's here, they come every month serving food for persons here. They serve in the drop-in over 250 meals every day, and we're grateful for persons like this. So whatever you have, whatever little it is, we all appreciate it, and they love it when volunteers come here and when donors come and help out in whatever ways they can.
ਸਾਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤਕਰੀਬਨ ਅਸੀਂ 7-8 ਵਾਰੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਖਾਣਾ ਲਿਆਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਜੀ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਲਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ, ਪਰ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਟਾਈਮ ਲੱਗਦਾ। ਦੂਸਰਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੱਡੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਆ ਉਹ ਹੈ ਖਾਣੇ ਦੀ ਟਰਾਂਸਪੋਰਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਇੱਥੇ ਨੂੰ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ 2-3 ਬੜੇ ਪਤੀਲੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਸਬਜ਼ੀ ਵਾਲੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਲਿਆਉਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਘੱਟੋ ਘੱਟ ਪਿਕਅਪ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ। ਪਿਕਅਪ ਹਰ ਟਾਈਮ 'ਤੇ ਅਵੇਲੇਬਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ। ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਇਹ ਪਿਕਅਪ ਟਰਾਂਸਪੋਰਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਬੰਧ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਅਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਤਾਰੀਖ ਲੈ ਲਈਦੀ ਆ, ਤਾਂ ਉਸ ਦਿਨ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਲਿਆ ਕੇ ਖਾਣਾ ਵਰਤਾਉਂਦੇ।
Yes, other than the food, we serve other things. We have clothes, we have a community closet, and persons are able to come down and to shop for free to get clothing, underwear if they want underwear, if they want shirts, pants, jackets, that need is provided. They also are able to get small appliances or plates and pots and pans if they want to start moving into their homes. We also provide a child care here. Persons come in free and they're able to have free child care, and 75% of the meals are provided for the children that come in to the child care.
ਇੱਥੇ ਤਕਰੀਬਨ 250 ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ 300 ਤੱਕ ਲੋਕ ਖਾਣਾ ਖਾਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਆ, ਅਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਮੋਸਟਲੀ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਤਕਰੀਬਨ 6 ਸਾਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ 90% ਤਾਂ ਬਾਈ ਫੇਸ ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜਾਣਨ ਲੱਗ ਗਏ ਨੇ, ਅਤੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਜੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਦੇ ਡਾਊਨਟਾਊਨ ਆਉਣਾ ਅਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਫਿਰਦਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਵਿਸ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਨਿਕਲਦਾ ਹੈ।
Well, we're always in need, and Christmas is a time of giving, but beyond Christmas, the needs are still here. Persons are always here 12 months a year, 365 days a year. So we invite you to come down and see what's here, see the needs that we have. Persons are in need of clothes, they're in need of food, we have different employment services program that helps to prepare them for the work world and to get them on their feet and to get them back out there. So whatever it is that you have, however small you think it is, we greatly appreciate it. Come on down and give it to the Bissell Center.